let me teach you about two other classes which are very similar to local date time. So you saw that with local date time, it gives you the date plus time. But let's say that you want to represent only dates, for example. Well, you could just remove time in here, and this will be just local date. Now I need to import local date. So let me just remove time from here, and there we go. So you can see that almost everything works apart from the hour, minute, and seconds, because now we just have the date instead. So therefore this can go. Let's just get rid of that. And if I run this, you can see that now instead of getting the date and time, we just get the actual date. And then the rest is the exact same thing. So also, if you want to work just with time, and let me just rename to local date. And if you want to work with time, so only time, you can say local and then time. So you can see that it's actually very flexible. So now you have the ability to work with time. So I'm going to say local time equals to, and then local time dot, and then here we can get a time from a zone, from, of, so on and so forth. And I'll come back to these in a second. So here, if I say now, there we go, I have access now to local time. So I could say local time, or actually let's just add a south before, and then here local time dot, and you can see that now we only get hour related stuff. So you can perform get second, get nano, you can check whether it's before another time, minus, plus, range. So basically the exact same methods that you saw with local date time as well as local date. And also if you want to compare where the two dates are the same, there is a dot equals method in here. So remember, the equals compares references and not the actual contents. So equals compares the actual dates themselves. So I'm not going to actually, let me just print this so you see, but I'm not going to use all of the other methods. There we go. And you can see that this now is just the time, which is this line in here. Next, let me go ahead and show you the different ways that we can create dates.